What's up, y'all, and welcome back.
I'm a rated clan killer, UIT nigga, smoke all the perk, extort the dealer.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to Bash Mash TV. Bash Mash, back again with another music video reaction, y'all. KSI just released a video not too long ago, about 48 minutes ago. I just realized this while I was reacting to that Scarlet video. But yeah, it says it's Anne-Marie and KSI and Digital Farm Animals. He did announce this on his YouTube page, saying that he was gonna drop something. So without further ado, y'all, let's get into this. Don't play.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play.
I like that. Taking shots at himself.
We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AT. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. Now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
My boy over here singing now. Okay, JJ, I see you.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play.
Oh, they was training with the little toy roll like that. Okay.
All the things you doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. Everything you're saying, yeah, I think I've heard it all before. Yeah, I've heard it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing, yeah, but I played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen.
This gonna make number one right here. This track fire.
I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to rap. No.
Don't play games with my heart.
Digital Farm Animals with the fire helmet right
Now
here.
the feels hit me differently. Play it.
Dang.
Yeah. Play it.
JJ's training paid off. Hey, yo, that was fire, y'all. That was fire. My boy JJ out here singing now? Okay. Hey, that was fire. I'll give you that. That was fire right there. Pause that right there. That was fire, yo. Like, he said it was... We gonna get something a little unexpected here. Let me just stop this right here. He said we was gonna get something a little unexpected, and he wasn't wrong. That was fire, yo. I wasn't expecting my boy to be singing on it, and it's got a catchy tune. I can see myself singing to that, and the way old girl just knocked dude out in the ring. I want to see JJ do that to Jake Paul. Please don't let us down. Please let this fight happen so you can just knock him out. But anyway, that being said, I enjoyed this. This was a fire track right here. My boy JJ stay evolving. Keep them tracks coming. Keep doing your thing, man. Like, I got major respect from where you started to where you are now. But this was definitely a fire track, yo. I might have to put this above Really Love. I mean, Really Love up there, but this might have to go above Really Love. I'm feeling this. Don't play. You definitely did not play in this one. But hey, if y'all want to check it out, I'll leave the link below to the original video. If y'all want to see the full video and all that, hope y'all enjoyed this. Hit that like button and comment if y'all want to see me react to anything else. We out. Bash Mash.